Hey guys, good morning and welcome to another vlog. My name is Salman Afridi. So as you already know, I have a super bike that is a Kawasaki z900 and I have a name for it. I call it Mr. Green. I wanted to show you in this vlog I made some changes to my super bike and I hope you notice them. So yeah, let's get started. I hope you can see the difference and I hope you notice what changes I've made. So you can see that I previously had mirrors coming out of here, so I've got it removed and I've replaced them with the handlebar mirrors. So they look good on the motorcycle, but when it comes to visibility, the visibility is not so great. However, I found a hack for it, so I'm actually getting a couple of mirrors made locally from a shop, and then I'm going to get it adjusted so they're not as zoomed in as they look. But I want you to have a look of the bike, how it looks, and I will show you a b-roll. And if you like the video and if you want to know more details about how I got it fixed and on it and what was the procedure for me to get it fixed, please let me know in the comments below if you want to know more about it so I can make a video on it again. Until then, see you next time.